Our Cuban is doing what insurance companies won't. Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm a licensed clinical social worker, and I make social work related content. I want to talk to you about Mark Cuban's cost plus drugs for just a second. Maybe you've heard about it, maybe not, but let me clear up some things, because whether you love him or you think billionaires shouldn't have to fix healthcare, the fact that Mark Cuban's pharmacy even exists is an indictment of the entire system. Here's what Cost Plus does. They sell the prescription medication at cost, the actual manufacturing price, plus a flat 15% markup, a small pharmacy fee, and shipping. That's it. That is all. There's no PBM middlemen, no rebate games, no insurance doesn't cover this surprise at the counter. So take, for example, a medication that costs $500 at CVS with insurance might cost $30 at Cost Plus, or an inhaler that's $300 might cost $20. A cancer drug that bankrupts most families suddenly is now affordable. What's wild about this is that Mark Cuban's still making a profit. That means every other pharmacy, every PBM, every insurance company telling you that they're sorry, that's just what it cost, they're lying. That's simply not true. Or maybe more accurately, they're telling you the truth about what they charge, but not what it actually costs them. Every time someone tells me I can't afford my medication, I now get to say, have you checked Cost Plus? Have you checked Cost Plus? And a shocking number of times, the answer is, holy shit, it's affordable. That shouldn't be shocking, and that shouldn't be the baseline. The fact that we need celebrity billionaires to sell medication at a reasonable price to prove that the system has been price gouging us for decades kind of is exactly the problem. I've had patients with diabetes, cystic fibrosis, chronic pain, psychiatric conditions who were rationing medications, skipping doses, choosing between rent and prescriptions, and now suddenly they're able to afford a full month of treatment because one website decided not to rob them blind. That's not innovation, that's just not being cruel. All right, here's my final thought. Mark Cuban didn't invent cheaper drugs. He just stopped pretending that they had to be expensive. The medications were always this cheap to make. We were just being charged like they weren't. So yeah, check out Cost Plus. And then ask yourself, if a billionaire can sell me my medication at cost and still make money, what the hell has the insurance industry been doing? By the way, it should go without saying, I am not sponsored and I have no financial interest in Cost Plus, but I think it's a pretty cool program.